Hey everybody, welcome back to Smith Family Ranch. This is Jeff here. We're starting our rebuild of our pole barn that we took apart. You can see some of it right here. Put on a gate as well so that we can use it as like a holding pen. Our milking stanchions are going to go in here when I build them, and then go from there. But let me show you what we got so far. All right, so here's the holes that I'm digging. We're gonna put 8 of them in. They're 2 feet deep. The frame is actually 8 feet high, so I got 10-foot 4x4s. And look at these tie down rods that were stuck into the ground to hold this in. This is what the wind did to it. So it was driven into the ground, into these holes. There was 1, 2, so there's 3 on this side. There's 3, so 9 of these were driven into the ground. They're probably 3 or 4 feet long. So you figure about 3 feet into the ground. Some were bent like this, some weren't. But that's what the wind did. It took it all up out of the ground on one of the storms out here a couple years back. But yep, this is our project for this weekend that we're gonna do. Get it all put together, and then I'll start on milking stanchions after that and get them built so that Lucy and Hazel can come in here and milk, and the kids can, Darcy can come in here and milk without worrying about the rain. All right, so we have a little change of plans, more for safety. Before we had all the roof trusses and the studs of the walls all together, but I went ahead and made an executive decision, and we took apart the studs so that we're not lifting the studs and the roof trusses up all at once. Make it safer. It's a little windy out today, so it's gonna make things safer for us. We don't have any help out here, so it's just us. But so I've got the post we're gonna put up here. We're gonna put up the first wall, and then we'll work our way around, do the second wall, lift it up, then do the back wall, and at least hopefully we'll get the walls done fairly quick.
It's going to be a slower process putting it up than it was taking it down, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Which is to be expected.
Yeah. Well, we want to make sure it's done right. We also want to make sure that we're safe too. So rather go slow and safe than fast and dangerous.
Yeah.
So follow along. Turn it off?
No.
This thing ain't gonna be.
It'd be nice if there was a tree right there too.
Yeah.
Put it in?
Grab the shovel. Get ready to go turn the hose on. We'll tell you when. I gotta get this one set first, then come over there and get that one set. All right, Jaden, water.